still will crochet crown baby headband. This pattern is designed to use for a baby up to 1 year, but you can also modify easily and use it for toddlers. There is a written PDF pattern on Etsy and you can get it for really small cost. It includes additional details for babies up to 1 year, so you can get on Etsy printable PDF pattern, or you also can go to my website. The links are included in the description to get additional details. To crochet last row, you can also use a different color yarn, and I'm using fingering white off color for this one. To crochet this baby headband, I'm using weight 4 and 4 millimeters crochet hook. And again, you can visit my website for any additional details for this pattern, or you can get pattern on Etsy. Make a slip knot and I chain 6. Now double crochet into the 3rd chain and double crochet into each chain. So the full pattern has step-by-step photos, so you can follow along easily even if you are a beginner in PDF pattern. And it is available on Etsy for very small cost. Or you can visit my website for additional details. Chain 2, turn your work. We'll work on double crochet into 2nd double crochet, back loop only, and into each double crochet, back loop only. Make double crochet. So we have 5 double crochet, counting the first one, chain 2 as double crochet, chain 2, turn your work, and we'll repeat 2nd row. And now continue repeating until the desired length is reached. I crochet approximately 15 inches around, but check PDF pattern for the measurements that for your age group, for your baby. So once it is done, the desired length is done, we'll connect into a circle. So turn your work, insert into the first, and then into the opposite side first stitch, and make a slip stitch. And we'll continue like this to the next on one side and next on the other side. With a slip stitch. And the last one. Again, check PDF pattern for the sizing. Now we'll work shell stitches around. So approximately we'll use 2.5 rows for the shell to make a shell. 3, 4, 5 double crochet into one shell stitch. You can use markers. I should go here. It is better to use markers just to mark, and again additional details are in PDF pattern and on website. You can check on those how many shell stitches approximately you should make for each headband based on the size. Connect with slip stitch. So go around with those shell stitches. Five into each. Crochet like this around. This is my last shell stitch. And again, you can get this baby crown headband pattern on Etsy or see my website for additional details. For the final row now, I'll modify this pattern and I'll use different size yarn, fingering white yarn, and just fasten off. And this is the last row. I'll use fingering yarn, make a slip knot, insert into a stitch, and this is once we're done with the shell stitches. Chain 3, insert into the next DC and slip stitch, chain 3, insert into the next DC and make a slip stitch. And following this pattern, I'll crochet around. You can use same color if you would like, but it's possible also to use other colors as well. You can use same weight yarn, and I think it will look very nice. Beautiful, I love it. This is the small leftover yarn that I have, so I'm just using it for this project. Looks great. Continue around like this. These are my last stitches and last shell stitch. And again, you can get the pattern on Etsy and or go to my website to see free pattern. And also I have other free patterns. You can get other patterns on Etsy as well. Also check my other tutorials for other great patterns that you can use. Now just fasten off, and this is done. Hide the ends. And this is complete. This is beautiful for baby and toddlers. Again, it can be used for toddlers. Just add a few rows to make it bigger. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Also visit my blog for other free patterns, also for details on this pattern, and please go to my Etsy shop to see other great patterns. Thank you and have a good day.